Someone had a question about it, so let's pull it out here and show it to you. It's really going on, PEZ collecting fans. Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So here's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like they cut a couple small pieces of wood to make the frame. And then they got some small, thin pieces that they nailed on there. You can see the nail marks here on the bottom. So I just tacked it up, painted it a little white. Put one up on a pedestal, so that way you can put your 3-4 Hong Kong Pluto up here. And it keeps things clean. Well, they took PEZ shoes. As you see, they neatly marked, this is where the center will be. And they made it. This is yet another way for you to display your dispensers. Or just one. One that happened to be a bad dog. Yeah. So until next time.